62 people got reported there, out of which then all our tests started, screening test, OIR 1 and OIR 2, and there were 50 questions and we were given 35 minutes for each set of papers, and it was bit simple only. So I was able to complete it on time, well before on time, because during my TS I was given just 17 minutes and there were 40 questions. So this time it was very much easy for me. And then
okay, I'll just add that Akshan came to this academy, got trained here, and unfortunately he could not make it the first time. That was his screening out for the TS entry. But the good part is that when he went there for the second time for ND entry, and which he always wanted to be, so he cracked that and he got.
Many people were discussing their WATs and every other things. So there I was listening, they were all from other coachings, and whatever answers they were saying, I was just laughing from inside only, because they were not up to the mark which sir has taught me, and this gave me a lot of confidence. So there I got to know that yes, doing coaching is important, and that too from an upper edge. And also I would say that not only sir, but also my friends, they have helped me a lot, because GDs, Lecturate and in GTO, I have done with them only. And especially like in Commando Hawk, I was unable to step on the topmost step. And in our coaching, we have a full-fledged GTO also, and there I have practiced there, but I was unable to do this, and it was a shaking one also. But my friends only were the true motivation for me. They were standing near the obstacle, and they were saying that even if you fall, we'll catch you. And by saying these words, they were motivated me. And when I went to Bangalore, there were also a shaking one only, and I was able to do it. I did it twice. So this is also one of the things. And in GT, I can say that there was one stand that 10 to 15 cadets were here, and they were training for GD, and there everyone used to say their points. So there also I've trained from here only. So this was I would like to say that it's a joint effect from sir, from me and my friends. That's why I got recommended.
Good. With the message or something?
Yes, well, I would like to say that there's only one message, that there I got to know the true value of my coaching, because there
I want you to explain how did you fight that setback, and what was your preparation, and how did this academy help you? That is what we want to hear. Test के बारे में तो मैं इनको पढ़ा दूँ. You will like to come.
Reason for my recommendation is Commander sir only, because he is the main motivation. And when I came up, he only said that never lose your hopes, and he gave me examples of very big people like Captain Vikram Batra and Maharana Pratap. So this gave me a big motivation that yes, I have to fight back, and it's just a small failure only, and it's just a stepping stone for success only. And there when I came up, I have knew that I have to be progressive in my approach. So earlier I used to prepare only one lecture a day, so I increased to 2 and gradually to 3 a day. And there I used to give sir opportunity that take one option and give me any one of your choice. So here I was very much progressive, and even in I was developing my personality, and even sir helped me, because after seeing me only, he started a series of the effective intelligence series in his blog, which you can see there. 4 to 5 tests per every day he used to take, put up on his blog section, and there we have to solve it, and I have solved it religiously and taking it very much seriously. I have done it all. So through this, these all were the things. And also in the GTO, he used to guide me and point me out every time that no, you are doing this wrong or this. So through this I was able to know my loopholes, and also he has been supporting me every time. And also I have seen many more changes in me, in himself, while he was guiding me. Like earlier, even for my weak story, he used to praise me that okay, it's fine. But later on, no, he was not taking up that No, you have to give your best only. So in this way, I was always putting up my best, and during when I was leaving also. So he didn't say that yes you will do it like for every student used to say. He said that I want to see you in para. So this was again a big kick for me that yes he has said these words and I have to do it.
Why? I'll just add that why I said that I want to see you in para SF, special forces, because he's so keen to join them. And when a person is keen to join it and he does full research on it, then you know now this person is not only motivated but he's working towards. So Akshan was working towards it. So that is why I remembered that and I said yes, I want to see you in Paris.
And even like for every student he used to call them also, like one of our cadet Abhinandan Bhaiya, he also got recommended and he also came up here. So from them also I used to get to know about very much things, and one of my friends he got conference out. So there he told about his G2 experience, that what happened with his group. So there also I have planned my tactics that how to handle group also. And sir used to tell that you have to tackle them calmly, and this helped me in my GD also, because it was a chaos created there. Everyone was speaking, and there you cannot give your points. So there also I got up with these tactics, small ones but important, and I was able to speak, and it was very much essential. And then in our sir's book also, it is very much famous. There also I've seen people reading sir's book, and in this book also we have got a PIQ form, which was very important for our interview part, because it's the main question paper only. So here sir has taught me how to fill your PIQ form. So there onwards only I learned to fill my PIQ, and I was able to prepare for my interview, and there I was not under stress. And even he took up my mock interview, and questions were very much same only, just some questions were there.
Yeah, so most of the questions were those which I asked you during mock interview?
Yes.
Okay, so they were similar or nearly same?
Nearly the same.
So the mock interview gives you an opportunity to be prepared for the actual interview, right? So it is good that you give your mock interview and be prepared for that. Yeah, please continue.
And so this preparedness helped me to remove stress there, and I was not under stress, and many other things that, like he pointed out that you should have a smiling face, and there also the IO, he pointed this thing out only, and even in the conference he was pointing this only. So
that is a very that's a very humorous incident, which yeah. Because I told him, if he asks you what is your weak point, tell him, sir, I don't smile. Like so, what he did was he took out a pen and he said during the interview, whenever I lift the pen, you've got to smile. So during the question answer session, that's what happened.
Yes.
Yeah. So during the interview which was going on, in between arbitrarily he used to lift pen and you used to smile.
Yes. Even in the conference, when I entered, first thing he did the pen only. He raised the pen and then he asked me that tell everyone this incident also.
Okay.
And there also in my SSB center I called sir, and sir said that we should tell this weakness only, and I have told that only. Another thing was that sir has helped us to be updated with our GK also. Like he has written blogs on many things, like of China and South China Sea, and then about the farmers bill. And the main thing that he has read 75-page PDF of the new education policy, and is done a good introspection, as he wrote blog also on that, a crisp for our lecturate. So that's very much good part from sir, that we took this thing for all of us. And
yeah, my blog section on that www.defenselect.com. So everybody was saying, sir, oh, new education policy pe aap blog likhiye. Now, when you start reading new education policy, it's 75 pages. So I took my time. But once I took my time, if you read that blog on defenselect.com on the blog section, you'll find it's a very crisp blog. You will get the gist of the full new education policy. And did they ask you a question on it?
no.
Okay.
They were interested. Basically, they knew these are all trending topics and everybody would know.
Okay.
They were asking of previous year.
Okay.
Not even of the CA and RC. They were asking something else about the Hong Kong or anything not related to today's like coronavirus or the new education policy. Not even farmers. Some of the people who got recommended, they were saying that they were asked, tell me protests going on in the world, not these all which are currently going for the farmers or the in America, some others. And they were relating with anything like GK. One of like for me, they asked about the which election system is there in USA. I said electoral college, and they asked me about tell me difference between the election system in US and in India. And then they asked about the states in USA. And for one of my friend who also got recommended, he was asked that who is your favorite footballer? He said Lionel Messi, and then he asked his country and then the country's capital. So they can relate anything and they can ask you in GK also.
Don't worry about it. If they are going in depth, that means interviewing officer, if he is asking you a question in depth, that means you're doing well. It is only when he is asking you very shallow questions, then he thinks that you can't answer even shallow questions. So if he asks you questions in depth, I'm sure you've done very well in it.